Hi guys, and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing and to another video where today is going to be a good one. You currently join me where I am in a car park, but things are going to make a lot of sense because you may have seen recently I was talking about my BMW M4 competition, the one that looks absolutely ridiculous, and I said that things are going to be happening with that car. Is it staying? Is it going? But you're also going to see the car be dismantled. My RS6, which is still here. Everyone thought that it was just going to be going straight away, but we've still got it. But it is filthy, which is fine. But one thing I have been doing recently, right? This is why an RS6 is the best car in the world, everybody. Very good. Bike in the back, Dylan. That's why an RS6 is the best car in the world. But what we have here, and this is the subject of today's video, is my BMW M4 competition. And this car has been with R44 Performance. How cool does it look? Clean. The last time you saw it was in a car park, it was filthy and everything, and now it is clean. I love it. It's so good. And this is a sad day, because it's not going to look like this soon. I'm going to be dismantling this. I'm going to be taking all the bits off it. We're going to have to put this car back to stock because it is going to be departing very soon from my garage, which is sad because it has been epic. It's done over 7,000 miles. I've loved it. But how flipping insane does that look? It is a joke. It actually, to be honest, was the first car where everyone was like, you know what? Stealthed out, it suddenly makes this grille look nice, and it's one of the coolest cars I've ever had. Genuinely one of the coolest cars that I've ever had, and I don't think it'll be a tough one to beat with this, because where the hell do you go? Before you at me with the front plate, we have taken the plate off for filming purposes. We're not driving on the road with it like this, so do not worry. In terms of mods that we did the front splitter. So this front splitter here, carbon, this will all come off today. I think we just, yeah, don't know how I get it off, but I'll tell you how I get it off in a sec. Obviously the car's low, so the car will have to have the original springs, which I have as well. The original springs will go back on it. And then we have here, which all this carbon, which is just down the side, just there. And then when we look at the back, how good does it look with the lights? The lights that are on, these lights are just insane. Honestly, just insane. So super, I just love it. This is actually sad. I know saying goodbye to cars is sometimes not the end of the world, but this is a good one. This is actually a really good one. And then what we also have on the back as well, this car actually came with all the carbon options which you have here. I know R44 do those themselves, but that's actually originally like that. And then this massive rear lip which we put on just here, that again is going to come off, and that is going to go back to the original one as well. So there's lots to be done today and lots that we need to do, but it's all going to be how flipping insane. That is one of the coolest cars I've ever had. Genuinely. So yeah, so basically the car is going back to stock. The car is going to be departing in about a week or so, so that's going to be the end of that. And then the reason is, I say basically all the time, I've just got too many cars coming. X5M, RS3, everything else, other stuff coming, and this has been mega, but I'm just not going to use it. And we've got the RS6 as well, so that's what I mean. I'm just not going to get a chance to use it, and sometimes you have to let things go. It's just a bit of a shame. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to get some final pictures of it in this car park which we're in the middle of nowhere, and do some pictures with me and both of my cars together. And yeah, it's going to be a sad day letting that go. It's just a shame we never put an exhaust on it. That's why it doesn't sound great. We're just moving it. Dylan's just moving. We're just going to get some last minute pictures with it. I mean, that is perfect. I'm sorry, but we nailed that car, everyone. I know some people are like, nah, you didn't, mate. I'm like, we did. I'm telling you now, we did. We absolutely did. Here we go. Getting it on the... time to get it on the ramp. As they're doing that, you might have seen my RS3 video, which was me showing you the exhaust on this. I'm obviously not going to start the car up now because you need to go and watch that video if you want to see the video. And there's obviously so much coming up with the Audi RS3. There's not one tip on here because they've been doing all the work on it. But you need to go and watch the video. I'll do one of those link things up here if I know how to do it. I probably don't. But you need to go and hear this because this is straight piped. Oh yeah. And all the mods are coming soon. And like I said, my RS3 is, I don't know when this video is going out, but it's so close to the point where I'm so excited. The most anticipated car for me owning, for sure. I just can't wait. It's going to be so, so good. So yeah, basically, we have so many plans coming up with the RS3 with my Sport Saloon and Sportback. We're just going to go to town on it as we put the M4 over there on the ramp, and then that will take all the bits off in a sec. This is their development M4, so this is going to have even more work happening to it. Very, very cool to see under there. And then we have the beast of all beasts. And through here, we have Reese's M3 comp, which has very similar bits to mine in terms of with the splitter. So he's actually got the splitter, he's actually lowered his car, he's got the front of the windscreen, plate in the windscreen, he's got the similar kind of side skirts, but then he went to town a little bit more. Hang on, his rear lip here is actually not as crazy as mine, but then he's got an aftermarket exhaust, so he's got the full titanium system, which you can actually purchase from these guys, so that's why he's got that like that. But this was that mad colour. Do you remember when it was that sort of sandy colour, and then we had the M Performance wing, which was just here, loads of stuff, loads of stuff. So yeah, I do like the M3. Will I get another M car? I will do them. Oh, look how good that looks over there. Oh, it looks so good over there. And then look at this, we've got Reese's Ford Fiesta ST, which is here as well. This is kind of where he started. Dylan, go away. Where he kind of started the whole business was off the back of this car, pretty much. Fiesta ST is a good little car, isn't it? Come on, we like Fiesta STs. They are actually, they're just cool. What we're going to do is going to be time to take all the bits off the M4, and I'm going to do it myself. So do carry on watching, because this is when it's all probably going to go horrendously wrong, and I'm probably going to, no, luckily all the bits on the car can go back to stock basically. That's what I've got. That is what I've got. Come with me. This yes, and that's what we need to go back to stock. Here we go. It's going to be so annoying when it goes back to stock. So one thing here is all the OEM, OEM fitments here. Yeah, they're all like here. Hey, you're an actual cameraman. There we go. And then you just basically drill it all out, and then.
Yep, that's it.
That's it. All right, well, it's actually quite satisfying.
There you go.
Sorry, I will pick that up. Don't worry, practice around it. It's so easy, isn't it? How easy they are to. How easy it's going to come off, isn't it? Fall on my head.
No, because it has a bit of 3M tape.
I was going to say.
No.
Get it close in.
Yeah, no, it's designed to be. Everybody can do it at home.
Okay. So easy.
Yeah,
you
literally.
think these things will be quite difficult, but
just the front ones, yeah. Literally, just the front ones, and that's it. Have I done them all?
Have I?
Done the wrong ones, mate.
Have I done the wrong ones?
Yeah.
Have I done all of them wrong?
Yeah, you have to.
Have I actually?
Yeah, you have to take these ones off.
What have I just done all the other ones?
Yeah, you just did. You did halfway the correct ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to get a job.
Maybe with a bit of practice.
I did them all wrong.
Yeah. Here, they hit kind of hidden.
God, I did all of them wrong.
It's fine. It's fine.
I literally just took the bumper off.
It's fine. Don't worry.
All right, I'll quickly do a couple of these.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it comes out even quicker.
Yeah. See.
There we go. All right, come on. I'll do the rest. But there you go. You get the drift.
Wanna do it?
No, you can do it. No, man. You're on camera now. There you go. You can see. Absolutely fine. And it all comes off. And these ones come off very nice and easy, just with a screwdriver, but we're using a drill. But that's just shows you how easy all this stuff comes off. Look how good this wrap was. Absolutely insane. You would literally... I know. It's insane.
Done. It's a good job, man. The wrap has been...
It's insane, yeah.
I was talking corners, isn't it?
It's
everywhere, man.
It's actually perfect. You would never know.
When you said it's been on? 6 months, 5 months?
6 months ago it got done. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. You got a bit out. That's when you know it's a good job, right?
Because it normally starts spinning around the edges after about 6 months, right? This one has it.
Oh, yes.
That's it.
That's it. That just shows you how easy it is for people to fit at home, though. And then straight onto the next one.
I mean, when it's on the floor with the jack, it's a bit harder.
Yeah.
But it's doable. At the end of the word.
And then it doesn't even ruin the paint or anything. Like, as you can see here, where that splitter's come off, it's perfect. That's the best bit about it. And then away you go. Obviously it does look very, very, very standard now. Don't get me wrong, but it just shows how easy it is to get these bits off. And then we are going to take the wrap off today as well. So we're going to, as you can see, it's coming off. Do you mind if I do a little bit in it?
Yes, sir.
Is it hard work?
Yeah. You just have to give it a pull. At the moment it's cold, so it might be a bit resistant.
Oh. It is good though, but the paintwork, the car got detail. It got detailed before, so it'll be immaculate.
That's it.
It is.
Over in a minute.
Yeah.
So you feel the stretch now.
Yeah, you feel the stretch. Anyway, you get the drift. But yeah, it is hard work, but the car is in immaculate condition, watch out. The car is in immaculate condition, and yeah, carry on. Oh, yes. Look at that. It's actually perfect. If anyone else said there that a wrap does not make the paintwork perfect, you are mistaken. That is... Look at that, it's immaculate, isn't it? Love that. And we've also done the rear quarter here, so that's kind of all... Look at it, it's perfect. Hello. It's actually perfect. I love that about a wrap. It's just perfect paintwork, and then away we go. It's just, yeah, sad sight to see. And then what we also have here is we also have the original springs and things like that, so that all needs to sort of go on it as well. All the screws which are in here. We've got loads to do, but anyway, we're getting there. And like I say, really happy with this paintwork. Right, we have a bit of an update. Look what's just arrived. Check this out. This Supra, he's just getting some mods done to it. Look at this. How cool is that? He put a rear wing on the back. This is wrapped by Yanamize, and it looks insane. I love the colour. How nice is that colour? It looks amazing. Honestly, that is ridiculous. It is so, so cool. So yeah, love that. I'm a real fan of the Supra, but I love the wrap. I think that's stunning. And then this extra wing, which has come over the top as well, is yeah, that is just a mental bit of kit. Looks so good. Looks so, so good. And then we're gonna have a bit of an update on the M4. So we're making solid progress here, as you can see. But now the car is pretty much nearly, apart from the bumper, back to black, which is cool to see. So it's nearly done. And then, oh, we got the rear wing off the back now.
Yes, mate.
Oh,
Came off really easy as well.
lovely.
It's
So-
really good, but come off really easy.
Love that.
Half a treat now.
And then it's nearly done. So yeah, we've made really good progress. Obviously this car's a carbon car, so it's got all the carbon bits there. And yeah, nearly done. And then it's back to stock. And then we still need to do the springs. I'm not going to film the springs today because we'll be here all day long. In terms of, it takes a couple of hours basically. But then the car will be on the original springs and then job done. And there we go. What a day it has been. Sad day. That's sad because that will be the last time I think you will ever see the car, the M4, on my channel. So a sad goodbye, but what an amazing car. I did say to you guys, there could have been a chance that the car was going to go, and we decided in the end that was the end. And with all the new additions coming, I wasn't going to use it. It just wasn't going to get used, and I've just got loads of exciting stuff coming. It made no sense. So taking all the stuff off, massive thanks to R44 for doing that. Wraps coming off. It's just a bit of a shame, but it was a really good car, and highly recommend if you're ever thinking about, oh, should I buy a new M4? 100%. It's a lot better on fuel than this RS6 will ever be, and it looked amazing and sounded okay, but looked amazing, and I loved it. So anyway, that's the end of that one, and we move to the next. There's lots coming up, and I can't wait to share it. Anyway, guys, leave those comments as always. Thumbs up, not thumbs down, thumbs up. I'll see you later.